Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews. We're back with another Dollar Tree haul. Small, but nonetheless. Alright, y'all, we are back. I will just go through the mundane and the necessities. Bath tissue, strong and soft. 2-ply, 4 rolls. Not bad for the $125. I think in comparison, I want to say to Target's 4-roll pack, this has a little bit more in terms of sheets and maybe perhaps even thickness, but nonetheless 4 rolls, $1.25. And of course your average paper towel set, 140 sheets for your $125 price count. Now in their beauty care section, I think I have purchased this before. I would hope I didn't purchase it and I left it at the store because I knew my intent was to get this brush. Nonetheless, this is a nice brush when you're taking a shower, a nice bath, and it's for your hard to reach places like your back, your lower back, in between your shoulder blades, I want to say. Nonetheless, it's a nice handy shower brush. I believe it's called shower brush, or is it called bath brush? Okay, bath brush by April, bath and shower. And I believe it comes in like a nice purple, perhaps a nice turquoise, and then this nice pink. So I opted for the pink. You already know I love my pink. In their snack section, I of course I love my Ocean Spray cranberry juice. I just picked up an original flavored, no extra added flavors. They didn't have any actually, but I still like their Ocean Spray. They're perfect for picnics, for trips, for your lunchtime. If you're working in an office and you just want to pick up something really quick for $1.25 and you don't want to necessarily pay Target prices, because they are getting a little hefty, I gotta say. Tisk Target, I know inflation, but come on, those prices are getting outrageous. Nonetheless, Ocean Spray original cranberry juice, 110 calories, 100% vitamin C from concentrate, and it is 20 fluid ounces. But again, always keep an eye out for their flavored ones that have a hint of apple or a hint of raspberries. They're just as flavorful, just as good. And I want to say, of all the juices, I think this is the safer one, but you can always dilute it in water if you don't want too much sugar. So there's that. Their snack section. Snack care. Also, this is new in their cleaning section, home utensils section. I want to say brooms, mops, dustpans. This is again their closet essential collection jumbo storage bag. I don't know if it's see-through. I don't think this one is see-through, but you can just keep under your bed. And it's perfect, like it says here, perfect for sweaters, shirts, slacks, shirts, blouses, belts, socks, undergarments, shoes, hats, scarves, and more. I think this is really great. Honestly, I have enjoyed these, although I will say again, do be conscious, it's $1.25, and they have a tendency to tear. So don't put anything super heavy in it because it's not that type of, fabric. It's not that durable. But if you are putting away, like say craft papers or vinyl paper for your Cricut, and you just don't want a bunch of rolls all over the place, this is perfect. Or even like gift wrapping paper, that's also good too. This is a good thing. And you can again store it, put it under your bed, and it is organized and out of your sight. So I like this. This is 28.7 inches long times 15.35 inches width and 5.91 in height. That's not bad. And they have, I believe, in dark blue, dark navy blue, and this gray. I opted for the gray. Also in their home section, brooms, mops, whatnot. Yes, I do like their reusable gloves. They are really sturdy. This is by Scrubba Buddies in a medium. They used to bring them in pink. I don't know what's happened. Now it's this blue, but I'll take it. It's still very good. My last pair was kind of getting a little bit of a stain, so I opted for just a new pair just to keep around. And again, you can do their multi-purpose gloves for cleaning, dishes, kitchen, pets, bathroom, heavy duty, protects hands while cleaning dishes, kitchens, bathrooms, floors, and other household chores. Not bad for $1.25. You will not find that price for this type of latex. You won't find it for $1.25, so that's a steal. Nonetheless, moving forward in their fun section, their party section, we are celebrating Pride, just like I have mentioned before. Juneteenth, they still have items up. This is their Pride collection. Pride Love is Love mini rainbow flags. They bring 3 per package, 11.4 inches by 6 inches. Not bad. If you're going to Pride and any of the events, if you live in New York City, you already know. I can also list a few if I find some sightings, some not job sightings, some event sightings that are free and they're coming to the city of New York. I will list them in the description box below. But this is great, and especially for the Pride Parade, which I believe it's always the end of the month. So you're already set. Dollar Tree has you. They have your back. And then lastly, yes, I opted for a nice Sharpie. This marks on most surfaces. The original, I believe they come in purple. They're also packs. They're packs of 3, but I don't think it's the Sharpie brand. It's like a more generic brand. But the Sharpie brand comes in black, I believe blue, and red, and I think another color like purple. But nonetheless, not bad. And I don't believe it says anything else other than that. Bold, fine tip, makes impressive marks, quick drying, fade, and water resistant. There you go. All right, y'all, that is my quick mini haul of the Dollar Tree. If you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share. What item here stuck out to you the most? And also, I have a GoFundMe. If you would like to check it out, I will link it in the description box below. If you have a moment, it would really help out the cause and this channel. Also, I'm still in the midst of getting that Patreon ready. But let me know, guys, do you want me to actually try out any of these products on camera? So that way you would know, is it really worth the $1.25? Please let me know in the comment section below. And yes, y'all, stay tuned for my reviews, my impending reviews. I hope you liked my Bon Jovi review. Thank you, good night. And let me know if you would like to see other docu-series commentary and reviews. All right, y'all, if you like my channel, please hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY haul, wine tasting, gift basket ideas, and a review. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, nerdy girl.